What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers, y'all know I have been off the hot mess, tasted, wasted, Vanessa Vanlife, Vanessa VIPB, Nutty Buddy Nation, look a hot mouth, hot mess, trap mouth trick, though number one, etc., etc. And so something told me today, because it's been a couple months, I was trapped with the devil for a minute. Anywho, I said, let me go see what she been up to. I heard some people talking about her and her new girlfriend. I remember I thought it was a white woman at first, but I guess we got some naive, lonely black women too. But y'all, the first video I turned on, this is what I see. I'm like, ain't a thing changed about this hot mess lady. I ain't listened to what she talked about or nothing. I just can't believe that she really about to face the day with that hot mess wig on. So let me see what else the commentary is, and I'll say a little more. Them in the house was already giving slight couple behavior, but her and Charlene in public is giving very much dating. And I mean, bless her heart. Maybe she sees something in Vanessa that we cannot see. We all know she probably going to end up burnt in the end and out of money. Because I'm sure Vanessa's draining her dry and paid for nothing. But, yeah, I mean, she like it. I love it. She actually want to put all this in the van, don't she, y'all? She'll put all this in the van somewhere. Oh, yeah, honey, I just got the confirmation with this. Why y'all didn't tell me sooner? Miss Charlene is a whole stud, honey. She one of them back in the day, the bulldagger, or what else they used to call us. And the girl sat up there and talked about gay people going to hell, and God don't condone it, and how she talked about her nephew, and she out with a whole one man. Let me let y'all see. This was all I needed to see after that. I'm like, okay, Vanessa, go ahead then. And she gonna drain them pockets. I wonder if they being intimate, y'all. I can't stand the thought of that, the way Vanessa don't clean herself. Woo-wee! Into here. Look at her. Look at her. That's her man, girl. That is her man. She called her Shar in the bedroom, a big C. I'm going from it, y'all. Happy holidays. This is Vlogmas Day 5. Namaste.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still billed me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.